You may have seen once in a while a company, a government agency, a university use one of those mass messaging services where they try to reach 10, 20, 30, 50, 100,000 people at the same time. It's no easy feat. In fact, just over here in the East Bay, we've had a spectacular failure of several of these large messaging services that couldn't handle the load, which is why I'm really happy that we've brought OmniAlert on as a supporter of the Twiat Riot. You see, every organization needs an effective way to communicate during emergencies, during important situations. 7.5 million people and over 15,000 organizations have already found that OmniAlert is the perfect solution to their critical communications needs. OmniAlert's cloud-based platform enables managers to distribute simultaneous text messages, phone calls, emails, desktop alerts, and more. OmniAlert can even update web pages, social media, digital signage, and countless other devices or services. Organizations the world over have been able to fill their critical communications needs with OmniAlert, including hospitals, fire departments, and other emergency services, which use OmniAlert to replace one-way pagers, delivering critical information and summoning first responders. They've also been used by universities and colleges to report campus crimes and to notify students in case of emergencies. K-12 schools use the service for everything from automated attendance calls to reporting lockdowns and notifying parents about headlights and snow days. It's really that versatile, everything from an emergency to, well, more of a medical urgency. Sports teams and community groups use it when they need to cancel and postpone events due to weather or other unforeseen circumstances, and companies both large and small use it to notify employees about everything from server downtime to local traffic conditions. Now, here's a few things about OmniAlert that you need to know. First, it can be administered from any desktop, smartphone, or tablet. There's no software to install. OmniAlert understands that you need to contact your people, but you also need to keep their information safe and secure because their emergency contact information is sacred. They provide you with a 2048-bit SSL certificate, which makes sure that the interface stays safe. Their interface lets you import users easily, even letting them opt in via a text message, and you eliminate emotion and stress. You plan scenarios ahead of time, which means that when the time comes, you can deliver information with one click. You can trigger action sequences, including website updates, mass text messages, phone calls, social media calls, and conference calls, just to name a few. You can send messages to all users or set groups and select contact methods, receive inbound tips and real-time reporting. OmniAlert invented the world's first campus emergency notification system, and it's the leading brand for colleges and universities, recognized as an industry leader by FEMA and the Department of Homeland Security. Their customers include American Red Cross, UNICEF, DuPont, Pratt & Whitney, Philips, Mazda, Bayer, Cal Poly, and even Petaluma High School Baseball. We've got it as a backup plan here at Twit Emergencies for emergencies in case our servers go down. In fact, this morning there was a traffic alert sent out to all Twit employees saying don't come up the 101. And over 98% of OmniAlert's customers renew their service each year, telling you that it's worth it. They offer hassle-free customer support, available 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, and their prices start as low as $2 per person per month on the basic plan. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to experience OmniAlert's award-winning critical communication services for your organization. For a 2-week risk-free trial and 20% off your first year of service, visit omnialert.com/twit and use the offer code TWIAT. That's omnialert.com/twit and use the offer code TWIAT. And we thank OmniAlert for their support of This Week in Enterprise Tech. Now let's get back into the